a day in a life as a factory worker dito sa Australia. Hey Palawi Nation, it's me again, Palawi ang Pobreng Lagan, and welcome back to another vlog. So for today, it's our first day of doing a vlog again. It's been a while. I think it's 4 or 5 months ago since the last time na nakapag-vlog tayo. The reason why hindi tayo nakakapag-vlog because napaka-busy na natin sa trabaho and naglipat kami ng bahay. I wanna commit myself in making a vlog again. But this is not gonna be successful without you guys. So, sana supportahan niyo pa rin ako sa mga vlogs natin. And by the way, my name is Antoy and I am an international student here in Australia. If you want to ask questions, anything under the sun, you can just put your comments down below so I can read it. I can make some videos or I can include it on my next vlog.
If you ever leave, I'll be real sad. Let's both hope that it don't get so bad. Pour your honey, sickly sweet.
Alright, so papunta na tayo ngayon sa bus stop. So yung ating bus will be 1:50. So malapit lang naman sa bahay. So lalakarin lang natin.
Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescriptions.
So guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa Dandenong Station. So sasakay na lang ako ng isang bus papunta na talaga sa work. So yeah, tara, let's go!
I can feel the breeze.
So okay, kakababa lang natin sa bus. Maglalakad tayo ng 5 to 7 minutes papunta sa factory. This is my daily routine papunta ng trabaho. So almost 1 hour din yung travel natin papunta dito sa trabaho. So I'll be working as a factory operator. Ipakikita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga trabaho ko later on. Ipapakita ko rin sa vlog na to yung mga kasama ko sa factory. So meron kaming morning shift, tapos ako afternoon shift, tapos meron din kaming night shift. So ipapakilala ko kayo mamaya, or ipapakilala natin sila sa vlog na to mamaya. So guys, by the way, if you want this kind of vlog, please do subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and the bell next to it para ma-update ka sa mga bagong vlogs kagaya nito. So yan, dumating na tayo sa factory. Yung start pala ng shift ko is 3:15. So currently it's still 3:42. So meron pa akong roughly around 30 minutes para i-prepare yung self ko to make a coffee for me and then to prepare my things bago tayo pumasok sa production. So ito yung mga dala ko dito sa aking bag. So I have water, this one, tapos yung aking tumbler, and then I have my baon. So this is my baon. Makikita yun mamaya ng mga baon ko. Tapos I have my vest, and then I have my phone, I have my jackets, and I also bring this. Panadol, paracetamol, meron din akong para sa aking allergy, back pain, at saka Band-Aid. And I also have my wallet. So yun yung laman ng aking bag.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head
Si Ate Debbie guys. Ano masasabi mo about sa factory jobs dito?
Ako,
Suggestion mo sa mga pupunta dito sa Australia?
kalaban.
Laban.
Kalaban ang pagod.
Ah.
Sa dolyar nga kakain na. Kikita eh.
Maganda ba yung trabaho na factory, ma?
Hindi.
Kasi?
Mag-study. Kailangan, punta kayo dito, mag-school.
Hindi, maglakad siya.
Bakbak, bigat-bigat.
It's dinner time. So ito yung isa sa mga nilook forward ko na part ng aking trabaho every day. Kasi meron kaming 30 minutes para mag-break at para kumain at mag-recharge. So yung pagkain ko pala ay rice, paksiw na isda, meron din tayong prito at saka meron tayong mangga and then kape. Because coffee is life. So while nagchichismisan yung mga ibang lahi, ako ay ini-enjoy ang aking pagkain. So this is actually one of my favorite na combo na ulam, paksiw at saka prito. So yeah, so enjoy ko muna ang aking 30 minutes break and I'll update you soon. Ate Che, say hi to my vlog. So it's 9:50. So dalawang oras na lang yung trabaho natin. Kakatapos ko lang din mag-break. And nasa production na tayo ngayon. Hindi naman bawal mag-video dito. Kasi yung mga kasama ko nagla-live na sa Facebook while nagtatrabaho. Pero for privacy reason na lang din, hindi na lang ako nag-video nung ibang mga machines dito. Yeah, this is what I do every day. So sometimes nandun ako sa isang machine, sometimes dito. So, depende yun sa assignment ko per day. Swerte ka, pag madali lang yung trabaho mo, malas ka pag doon ka na-assign sa mahihirap. Kasi marami kaming products dito, so depende sa order yung gagawin namin. So, currently, hindi naman mahihirap yung mga order, so laban lang.
Every time I close my eyes and go to sleep, I bring my dream alive with things that you can't see. I write my feelings down just like a diary and head upstream. And I bring my thoughts along with me so you can see.
Say hi ka muna sa vlog ko. Ito yung pinakamalambot sa factory na night shift. Parang bulalo sa sobrang lambot. And yep, nasa bahay na tayo. So natapos yung trabaho natin around 11:45 and it took me like 30 minutes pauwi dito sa bahay. So, yun yung aking a day in a life as a factory worker here in Australia. So, if you guys wanted to ask questions kung paano kami pumunta dito or paano ko napadpad sa Australia, you can just comment down below para ma-answer ko kayo or I can make a video about it. I will end the vlog here, but if you're not yet my subscriber, please do subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button and the bell next to it para ma-update ka sa mga bagong vlogs kagaya nito. Yep, it's me again, Tipalapo, yung Pobreng Lagan, saying explore because life is too short and be responsible, Lagan. And see you on my next vlog. Bye.